So hello everyone, this is Supriya Dubey, a first year MBBS student at GMC Chandrapur. Today I'm so excited and I can't wait to introduce myself as a second year MBBS student as our UT exams have already finished, that is university exams, and the practicals have also finished. So today I want to discuss the most important thing, the question which a lot of students, a lot of NEET aspirants, a lot of students who have got selected this year, they have in their mind that what things we should bring while coming to the medical college. What are the most essential important things we should bring, on which things we should save our money, and on what things we should invest. So the first important thing is, should we buy the books from now onwards? Look, right now the counseling process is going on. That is second round. I think the second round is over. All India second round is over and the state has also begun. So I'll be recommending and advising you to wait for all the rounds and first of all enter the medical college, take admission, start going to the medical college, start attending lectures and listen to your professors. What do they advise? Because in every medical college there are some separate books which are advised by the teachers and they recommend you that only. So that's why I'm saying don't be in hurry. Wait. First of all, take admission, start going to the medical college, get shifted there. Then after asking to your seniors, your professors, what books are they preferring in that specific medical college, use that book. So this was about books. In the end of the video, I'll be suggesting you what books have I preferred for all the three subjects, that is anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. The next thing is, should we buy the electronic items, that is iPhone. In the mobile, people do think to buy iPhone, iPad, tablet. What kind of tablet should we invest in? Look, buying a tablet, yeah, it is important. If you buy, then it is great for you. You'll have an advantage over those who don't have it. But even if you don't have it, there is no problem because a lot of toppers in our batch are the ones who read directly from the books. They don't use tablet. So that's why I'm saying it's not like that you can't simply read from books. You can. So let us discuss according to the budget. If you have a budget of like 30,000, then you can try buying an iPad because it begins from 30,000 and it extends to 50 and above. So you can buy an iPad. But if you have a budget of like 15,000 or 12,000, 14,000, then the Samsung tablets are also available in the market. So this was about tablets, and yeah, do check if you have that compatible pencil with the tablet because some tablets are there of Samsung on which there are no pencil which is compatible. Same is the case with my tablet too. I bought a tablet and no pencil was compatible with it, so I need to change it. But right now I'm pretty comfortable with the books. So yeah, this was about it. So books, we have discussed about books, tablets. Next thing is the bones. Not much of the people have idea about this. Please keep a budget in your mind that you have to buy the bone set. What is bone set? It is the set of entire 206 bones. There are two varieties, that is unilateral of one side and bilateral of both the sides. So it depends on you of which kind of bones do you want to buy. So usually students buy the bone set in group of like 4 to 5 people because it costs around 18 to 20k. So it is not affordable for all of them. So it is preferable to buy in group. Yeah. So keep in mind to have 3 to 4k for the bone set because it is very essential for studying the muscle attachment, origin and insertion of the bone, the general features, because in the Viva you're gonna have the actual bone in your hand and then you have to explain the general features, origin, insertions, the muscle attachments of that bone. So for that purpose, you need to have that actual bone in your hand. So you need to buy, it is a necessity to buy a bone set. So we've discussed about bone set, books, electronic items. Next thing is the proper attire which is being followed in medical college. So look, if you are a boy, you have to wear the formal shirt, pants and formal shoes, and if you are a girl, you have to wear kurti, leggings and shoes. Like in some specific areas like in Mumbai, there is no such dress code, but in other part like in the peripheral districts of Maharashtra, there is a dress code and you need to follow it. So that's why I'm saying you need to prepare formals, be it boys or girls, and you have to follow wearing that in the medical college. Next thing is you have to buy 2 white coat because Right from the lectures begin from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and you have to wear the white coat for like 6 to 7 hours. So you need to have 2 white coats for passing the entire year smoothly. So lastly, let me discuss about the books. Look, in MBBS, for every subject there are a lot of books written by various authors, and it depends on you with which book are you comfortable. If like suppose I'll give an example. Like for physiology, there are some books available in the market like Guyton, Ganong and AK Jen. Guyton is a standard book, Ganong also, and AK Jen is a book which people usually prefer for passing the university exam. If you want to start your PG preparation right from the first year, or if you want to have the core knowledge of the subject, then I'll suggest you to study standard books like Guyton. But if you want to pass like university exams, then you can go with AK Jen. So this was about physiology. Then about anatomy. There is a book that is BD Chaurasia. People prefer it for passing the university exams. It is even good for having the good knowledge of the subject, core knowledge you can have with it. Yeah, but there are more books available like Vishram Singh or Selective Anatomy or Gray's Anatomy. All these books are also there. Gray's Anatomy, the diagrams in the Gray's Anatomy are great. So you can refer the diagrams from Gray's Anatomy. But the clinical part is best written in the BD Chaurasia, that is BDC. So 90% of the people refer BDC only for anatomy. So this was about anat. Next is the biochemistry. Biochemistry, mainly there are 2 books, Vasudevan and Satyanarayan. Even Harper is also there. Biochemistry, mainly there are 2 books, Vasudevan, Satyanarayan. Even Harper is also there, Harper and Lippincott. So Harper and Lippincott is the standard book, and Vasudevan and Satyanarayan, these are the books which are read for passing the university exams. Vasudevan is more like kind of NCERT because it is given in tabular format. The data it is given in tabular format and it is easy to read. So Vasudevan is referred. Even Satyanarayan is also good. It depends on you. I will tell you what books have I preferred. So for anat, I have referred anatomy. So for anatomy, I have referred BD Chaurasia, BDC, and for physiology, I have referred AK Jan, and then for biochem, I have referred Satyanarayan. You can say these are just the standard books. It is not like I've read the book from start to end. To be very honest, only few people in the batch they do read the book actually from start to end. And most of the people they referring in the sense, if you have a doubt, if you want to have the more knowledge about the particular topic, then you go open that book and you read, have some information regarding that. It is like that. It is like this. Otherwise, reading the entire standard book, because all those books are not very thin, they are thick like this. So you just have to refer that. Otherwise, the notes are also available. YouTube channels are also there, and the YouTubers they provide their notes also. So I'll suggest you the YouTube channels also which I have followed. For anatomy, I have followed the Johari MBBS. He is a great teacher. Like upper limb, lower limb, for starting the base foundation, the Johari sir's lectures helped me a lot. For anatomy, for physiology, I managed it by myself. I did not attend any lectures, to be very honest. And for biochem too, yeah, I mainly attended the lectures of Johari sir from YouTube, but mainly I did the course of Dr. Ashwini sir. Dr. Ashwini sir, he used to teach in the e-Gurukul and even in the Marrow. I think currently he is in the Marrow, and he used to teach in the e-Gurukul. These 2 are the apps for PG preparation. And Dr. Ashwini sir is the teacher of anatomy. He teaches these subjects live in these 2 apps. Like in the e-Gurukul he used to teach, but right now currently he is in the Marrow. I've not bought the subscription, to be very honest. Most of the people have the doubt that should you buy the subscription from the first year. I think there is no actual need to buy the subscription. You can easily manage, because buying the app subscription, what is the main purpose? The main purpose is to solve the MCQs. If you want to start your PG preparation, and it begins actually by solving MCQs, not just reading. So if you are willing to start solving MCQs from the first year, then and then only buy the subscription. Otherwise, it will be the waste. Because the lectures of Dr. Ashwini sir, those are available on the Telegram also. If you search, if you put some effort, you will easily get to know. So there is no need to buy. If you just want to attend the lectures are available. Only if you want to solve the MCQs, then and then only I'll recommend you to buy the app subscription. So this was about the buying the subscription or not. Then the next thing comes, should you buy the stethoscope? Is there actually any need? In the first year, you don't actually go to the hospital. You go to the medical college, you attend the lectures, you do the practicals, and then you come back. The postings in the hospital begin from the second year. So, stethoscope is as such not needed, but for the physiology, for checking the BP from the brachial artery, but even for checking the heart sounds, heartbeats, we need stethoscope. So yeah, if you already have, then it is alright. But if you don't have, if not bought yet, there is no need, because for those basic practices like for checking the heart rate, BP, you get the stethoscope right from the medical college only. So there is no need to buy it. The actual need of the stethoscope begins from the third year. So yeah, this was about the stethoscope also. And right now I can't remember what are the actual queries of the students who actually enter the medical college. If still I am forgetting any of the points, do mention in the comment section. I'll try replying all of them. So yeah, this was all about it. Currently my first year has obviously it has almost finished. I'll be having my results within 1 month, and then we'll be entering the second year. So I'll try making more videos of the first year, all the queries which people have, and do recommend or suggest me the topics on which I should make more videos. So yeah, this was all about today. Until I see you soon, let's just hustle hard.